What should you expect when buying a home? Let's start here. Purchasing a home is most likely going to be one of the largest investments in your life. So you need an experienced professional to walk you through each phase of the home buying process to ensure that your interests are protected. And here's how I will help you. First, I will make sure you are qualified to purchase a home so that you know upfront what type of loan you qualify for and what your full payment will be, including principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Once we know you're qualified, then the fun begins and we get to go house shopping. I will make sure you are fully aware of the neighborhoods, schools, and anything else that could possibly affect the value of your home later on. Then I will help you negotiate an offer in a way that is beneficial for both you and the seller. Once the offer is accepted, I will open escrow and your earnest money will be deposited in the title company's escrow account. I will then start scheduling inspections and will make sure the lender orders the appraisal when the time comes. I will be very diligent about making sure we don't miss any contractual deadlines so that we keep your deposit safe and you won't be at risk of losing it. After the inspection, it's very important to know what repairs are customary to ask for from the seller and what are not. I will be in constant contact with all the parties involved in the transaction to ensure that your best interests are covered and that we close on time. There are so many more parts to the transaction to share that I could be here for hours telling you. So better yet, give me a call and I will become your trusted advisor, walking you through step by step to ensure you make the right decisions throughout the entire process, all the way to me giving you the keys to your new home. And I'm sure we will become lifelong friends in the process. And don't forget, this will cost you if you don't have the proper representation from an experienced agent who is on your side, and I've got your back. So give me a call and let's see how we can get you into your new home.